Hi folks, so just a short video today. I've just released a new Facebook group and I'm going to use it as my online journal. So if you want to come in and join it, just answer a few questions to get in. Look at the top pinned post, that's very important. You'll be able to get some free training there on some solo ads. I'll be going live in this group with my online journals, so you'll be able to follow my online journey, so to speak. You'll be able to find out where I've been getting success from. You'll be able to follow my failures, which is most important, because I'm going to try and save you folks money by showing you where I've failed and stop you from spending money on things that don't work. I'll be sharing with you all my tools and resources I use, both free and paid, and I'll be giving you the results of my solo ads that I run. So yeah, I'll give you the conversion rates, the amount of clicks I'm buying, and all good stuff like that. All some factual figures that should help you. And if you need any information on where I get my solos from, my vendor that I use, then you'll just come into the group and ask me. That's absolutely fine. I'll also give you the information of the two platforms that I promote heavily inside the group, and yeah, and you can also find out about the commissions loop system. That's some awesome free training, and also I've got some free training in there about solo ads. Okay folks, so like I said, I was going to keep this nice and short. I'm going to leave the link to my new Facebook group underneath this video in the description, so just click on that, answer 2 or 3 questions in there before you get into the group, then I'll accept your access. And yeah, look out for my live postings in there, hopefully on a regular basis, and I hope you get a lot out of the group. So until then, please subscribe to my channel, give me a like, leave me a comment in the box if you've got any questions about the Facebook group, okay? And I'll see you all in the next video. Stay safe.